How to create secret code in WhatsApp. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a secret code in WhatsApp. So first thing that you have to do is you can have to go to the Play Store, and from there you can have to search for WhatsApp, and make sure that you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp. Once you have done this, you can have to go back to the WhatsApp account, and after that you can see there is a lock chat option, so you can have to tap right here and you can have to open this chat. So once you have done this, you can simply have to hold the on that name, and you can have to tap right here on the three dots, and from there you will be able to get the options of the secret code if you are in another country. So unfortunately, where currently I am, there is no create secret code options available, so I will not be able to enable that option. So if you are in another country and you get that option, so you can simply have to turn on that option from there, and you will be able to create the secret code in WhatsApp. So this is how you can easily create secret code in WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.